Meaning of fetus.
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 Fetus. Fetus is a term used to describe a developing mammalian organism within the uterus after the embryonic stage and before birth. During this stage of development, the fetus undergoes rapid growth and continued differentiation. The fetal stage begins at around 9 weeks gestation and lasts until birth. At this stage, the fetus is fully formed, but still needs further development to support life independently of the mother's body. Understanding the growth and development of the fetus is crucial for medical practitioners to ensure healthy pregnancies and successful births.